Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA code tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain display images with a picture box dynamically using a combo box with a VBA user form. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output. Now let's run this application. When I click up arrow, see here we got the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. You can close the images picture box also. Now again up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, left arrow. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created one new book one Excel sheet. First, we require one user form. For that, we need to go to developer. Under developer menu, there is a Visual Basic. Click that one. And here we got the Visual Basic for applications. Now, the next step is we need to create a user form. For that, go to Insert, click User Form. Here we got the user form. Let me expand this user form so we can add controls here. First, I am adding one combo box. I am adding one combo box here. After that, I will add one frame. Here I am adding one frame. Inside this frame, first what I'll do is I remove this caption of this frame from the properties. After that, I will add one image here. I'll add that one image, and after that I will add one label, and this label caption I am changing to X. Let's add the fore color is red color, auto size is true, and I am increasing the size also. Let's add bold and 16. Click OK. Now this cross is to close the frame. So first we'll write this. Double click that one in the label click event. Frame 1 dot visible is equals to false. Again switch over to the user form 1. So user when click this cross mark, the frame will be closed. Now after that, the next step is we'll add one arrays into this combo box. So select the user form, right click the mouse, go to view code. Here we got the user form click event, but we require the user form initialize event. Now we don't require this click event. Let's delete that one. User form initialize combo box 1 dot list property is equals to I'm adding array. In the array I'm adding up array, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Now let's check the output. These up arrow, these arrows is binded to this combo box, and also when we click the cross mark, the frame will be closed. So let's run this application, and here we got the output. Now when I close this cross, see the frame is closed. Now we got here up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. When I click up arrow, I want to display the arrows up arrow, down arrow and left arrow and right arrow. The images I have stored on my desktop. So now on the desktop I have 4 images. These are the images I want to display dynamically when a user selects a combo box. So for that, again switch over to the coding part. First we require, let's close this one, reset, right click the code here. Frame 1 dot visible is equals to false. First I want to visible is false, invisible. When we run this application, I don't want to show the frame 1. Now after that, switch over to the Userform one, select the Combobox, double click that one. Here we got the Combobox one change event. Here I am using if condition. If Combobox one dot caption value is equals to this up arrow, let's copy this one, up arrow. Then I want to show the frame one dot visible is equals to true. Then also image one dot picture is equals to load picture takes the file name. The file name is a string. Let's add the file name. Let's copy this one, the path, and pasting here. After that, again for a backward slash, we need to add the up arrow image name. These images are JPG. Images.jpg. Need to close this one. Then let's close the end if. So let's copy this one. This is down arrow. This is left arrow. This is right arrow. And we need to change the image name also. Up arrow, down arrow. They have to give the exact same name of the image, otherwise we'll get an error. Down arrow, left arrow, and the last one is the right arrow. This is the right arrow. That's it. Let's check the output. When I run this application, and here we've got the output. Now when I click up arrow, see here we've got the up arrow. Notice here the images are not displaying the perfect, it's not fitting in this image control. So let's close this one. Double click the Combobox one change event. Here we have a image one dot. So we need to add picture size mode. Picture size mode is equals to, from picture size mode stretch. This is the property we need to add. Let's copy this one and we'll add to all the if conditions. That's it. Let's check the final output. And here we got the final output. Now let's run this application. When I click up arrow, see here we got the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. We can close the images picture box also. Now again, up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, left arrow. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to display images into a picture box dynamically from a combo box using VBA code in Userform. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.